Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed already and hit the bell icon. Today we're gonna learn how to see the photos you have liked on Instagram. Hop on to the Instagram application and go to your profile by clicking on the profile icon or your profile picture on the bottom right corner. Then click on the menu icon on the top right corner. There you can see an option saying your activity. Tap on it and again tap on interaction. Now you can see a lot of options there, and there are likes, comments, story replies, reviews and not interested. To see the photos you have liked, tap on likes and there you can see every single photos you have liked. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you face any problems, let us know on the comment section below and hit the like button if the video was helpful for you. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon for similar videos.